Welcome to the Yard Mojo channel, where gardening meets innovation. On this green and tech-savvy corner of the internet, we explore what to give a gardener as a gift. Today, we're delving into 10 gifts for gardeners that blend the love of gardening with technology. From 3D printed planters to smart pots with built-in sensors, we're about to unearth some revolutionary tools. So let's get our hands digitally dirty. Stay tuned as we reveal this tech-savvy gift guide. Imagine creating a garden space that is truly yours with 3D printed planters. These special planters are more than just containers for your plants. They're a canvas for your creativity. Each one can be customized to your unique aesthetic, making your garden a true reflection of you. Plus, they're a shining example of the marriage between technology and nature. From delicate floral designs to geometric patterns, the possibilities are endless. 3D printed planters, where technology meets creativity. Keep track of your garden's progress effortlessly with a digital gardening journal. Imagine having the ability to log every seed planted, every sprout that emerges, and every bloom that unfurls, all in one convenient place. A digital gardening journal brings this to life, using technology to streamline your garden organization. It's like having a personal assistant, keeping tabs on your garden's growth and development, and making your gardening journey a smooth sail. A digital gardening journal, the perfect gift for the organized gardener? Stay ahead of the elements with your very own digital garden weather station. Imagine having access to real-time weather updates right at your fingertips. This little tech marvel aids in making smart gardening decisions, helping you to know when to water, when to protect your plants from an oncoming freeze, or when it's the perfect day for planting. Plus, with the ability to sync with your mobile apps, you can stay informed wherever you are. A weather station, because Mother Nature is unpredictable. Gardening gloves aren't just for protection anymore. Meet the smart gardening gloves. These innovative gloves are fitted with sensors that keep track of your health while you're tending to your plants. Imagine monitoring your heart rate and activity level as you prune and plant. This is where gardening meets wellness. It's not just about cultivating your garden, it's about fostering your health too. And what could be more rewarding than that? Smart gardening gloves, because health is wealth. Ever wanted to talk to your plants? With Bluetooth plant labels, now you can. These nifty gadgets act as the voice of your green friends, providing real-time status updates right to your smartphone. Need to know if your rose bush is thirsty or your tomato plant is getting enough sun? Bluetooth plant labels have got you covered. Sync them with your smartphone app and let the easy monitoring begin. It's like having a personal plant whisperer in your pocket. Bluetooth plant labels, because your plants have a voice too. Say goodbye to soil and hello to the future of gardening, hydroponics. This method of soil-less gardening is a game changer, offering a clean and efficient way to cultivate your favorite plants. Automated nutrient delivery ensures your plants get exactly what they need when they need it. No guesswork, no mess, just healthy, happy plants. This is where technology meets nature, revolutionizing the way we garden. So, why not embrace this innovation? A hydroponic gardening kit, the future of gardening in a box. Ensure your plants get the right amount of sun with a digital UV light meter. This nifty gadget uses cutting-edge technology to provide real-time data on UV levels, allowing you to maintain the perfect balance for your plants. No more guesswork, no more leaf burn, just set the monitor, check the readings, and adjust your garden's sun exposure accordingly. It's like having a personal sun timer for your garden, a digital UV monitor, because your plants deserve the best. Ever wondered what type of plant you're looking at? Wonder no more with AI-powered plant ID apps. These ingenious tools use artificial intelligence to enhance your plant knowledge and sharpen your gardening skills. Simply snap a photo and presto, the app identifies the plant in a jiffy. It's not just convenient, it's also enlightening. You can learn about your plant's needs, growth patterns, and potential issues. This is the future of gardening, right in the palm of your hand. AI-powered plant ID apps, because knowledge is power. Design your dream garden without lifting a spade with virtual reality garden design software. Imagine the power to visualize your garden's potential, to experiment with different plant arrangements, and to see the full bloom of your creativity before the first seed is sown. This is the beauty of technology meeting nature, allowing us to dream, design, and deliver stunning gardens with the touch of a button. Virtual reality garden design software, because your dream garden should be more than a dream. Give your plants a smart home with smart pots with built-in sensors. These pots are the epitome of technology meeting plant care, providing real-time alerts and feedback on your plant's needs. No more guessing when to water or if your plant is getting enough sunlight. The built-in sensors take the guesswork out of plant care, alerting you to your plant's needs before they become problems. This synergy of tech and plant care has never been more seamless. Smart pots, because your plants deserve a smart home. That wraps up our list of 10 technologically advanced gift ideas for gardeners. From the personalized touch of 3D printed planters, the convenience of digital gardening journals, to the real-time data from smart gardening gloves, Bluetooth plant labels, and UV meters, not to mention the revolution of hydroponic kits, AI-powered plant ID apps, virtual reality garden design software, and smart pots, each one a perfect blend of tech and nature. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the Yard Mojo channel for more gardening and overall yard design innovations.